So our buddies at Spam have come up with a pretty cool fundraiser for National Spam Musubi Day, which benefits Maui. You know, they had a bunch of fires there last year, and they've got some fun stuff. I mean, if you know what musubi is, it's just a piece of Spam on top of a piece of rice wrapped in something called nori. So like they have this ottoman. It looks like a big piece of Spam, and you sit on it. $1,000, but you know, that's cool though. But they have some regular stuff too. They got a crew neck shirt that's $50. They've got some lounge pants that are $40. That's reasonable. A blanket, a t-shirt, a dad hat. But they also have scrunchy. What else does they have here? Little musubi earrings. Those are cute. A musubi duffel bag. An awala 40-ounce style tumbler. It looks like a Stanley, but it's not. It's an awala. It's a different brand. That one looks like a Yeti, but it's only $25, so you know it's not a Yeti. That's a regular stainless tumbler with a lid. A beach towel for $40. That's reasonable. A kitchen towel for $15. I wonder how much stuff they still have left in stock. Musubi mold. I guess it's a mold. Oh yeah, they have a sticker pack so you can put stickers on your, and you got to make this thing in a mold. So they have a little plastic mold that the rice goes in first and the Spam goes on top of that. And you wrap the seaweed stuff around it somehow. It looks pretty cool. But their regular Spam merch site is great. I mean, they've got blankets, they've got golf bags, they've got putter covers, they've got a kanjo instrument, which I guess is a Hawaiian musical instrument, like a banjo, but it's a kanjo. Oh, it's made with a can. Duh. They got a flag, whole bunch of wearable stuff, blankets, whole bunch of drinkware. Oh, a variety pack of Spam. That's pretty good. You know, they also got some wild flavors over there. Anyway, I'm all about Spam. This is cool. Oh, they've got 5 pages of stuff. 242 items. Yikes. Well, I'm not going to go through all of those today. Items in this collection range from 50 cents for temporary tattoos to $1,000 for the ottoman. So they've got all that stuff in between, which is kind of cool. Here's your takeaway. Limited edition merch to support a cause on a special day or otherwise. Raise funds for charity. It makes you look good. It makes everybody look good. Makes people feel good. People like doing stuff like that. They like donating to things that are helping people. And if they can get some cool swag in the middle of it as a result, it's even better too. Especially a $1,000 ottoman that would look great in your house in Hawaii. I'm sure people would love that. Here's some things you can try. You can do bundles where you tie a couple of items together for not a discount, but say if you had a golf bag and a golf ball and a golf putter, if each of them separately would cost $300. Maybe you say, if you buy all 3 of these things, it's $250. So you get kind of a discount, but you sell more stuff. Let's say you get a hoodie and a cap, or a t-shirt and a cap, or an umbrella and an awala tumbler. You buy the umbrella for $50, you buy the tumbler for $50 separately, but if you buy them together, maybe it's $90. So you get a little bit of a deal. So that means you'll sell more stuff and move more product and get more donations. You can create loyalty programs so people have early access to this stuff before it's made available to the public. You can collaborate with artists and designers to create really neat, cool, location-specific stuff. That's all I have about Spam. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you one more video. Sorry. How's it? Over here? It's over here. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you 2 more videos right here. Pick one of those. What a mess. What a deal. And